found Rudy online to sell my property. They were very efficient, very good, and they sold it within a week with multiple offers, and the escrow went fast.
I met Ben and I told him I wanted to sell my Dunbar's house. He got the open house, got everything ready, and got multiple offer and on time to sell it.
I found the perfect people to help me out on the sale of my house and also on the purchase. So we sold the house actually in 5 days, and I was also able to get the house for $100,000 less. My house is in escrow now, and the purchase also in escrow.
Rudy's team helped me sell my home quickly and smooth. I got multiple offers in the first week. The teamwork is very strong and helpful.
Rudy team, they have 30,000 buyers. I refer everybody. This is a good team.
I was very happy. If you want to sell your home, hire Rudy.
I highly recommend it. So anyway, stop looking around. Come to Rudy and everybody's staff because they are teamwork. Go for it.